It's February 2025, and many of you have asked me to explain exactly what my three programs are really about, what the difference is, what's going on with their sale prices. I wanted to give you a rundown very quickly here so you can choose which path is right for you. We have Arlen's All Access, Mastermind, and Inner Circle. So someone asked, "This is amazing. I would love a comparison. Is it for newbies, for experienced? Let's go." Arlen's All Access is everything you need to make $100,000 in 12 months. That's right, $100,000. This is a daily membership. I'm in there every single day. It costs $100 per month. It's very accessible. You even get 50% off right now if you get the yearly. And it's about those foundational tools. We have an amazing classroom. And you have me, you have Colin Yearwood, who is a sales expert. I'm teaching you everything about YouTube and memberships, a six-figure revenue stream for me only in the last few months alone. And then we have several others bringing all of their expertise to fore. Then you have Mastermind, which is my latest membership. I'm so excited about it. We have weekly calls with six, seven, and eight figure entrepreneurs, creators, all that. And we already had an amazing January where we had Danielle Leslie, Callum Johnson, and so many others. And they come in for 90 minutes. They sit with us on a Zoom and I interview them for about 30 minutes. And then we spend the rest of that time with the members asking a very direct question about their company. And it has been amazing. If you want to see an example of this, go to arlensmastermind.com. Look at that very first video that I have there on the About page, and it will give you a look. And we'll have that up for a limited time. It'll give you a sneak peek. But speaking of limited time, this is very important. Mastermind normally costs $4,997 per year, which I still think is a steal, if I'm being honest, because for most of the people I bring in every single week, it costs that amount for one consultation with them, or more. Like that's like a low amount. So for 4,997, $5,000 a month, it's kind of a steal. But right now, because I know so many people have asked to join, but they just didn't have that upfront cash, I have made it $9.99 for lifetime access for a very, very limited time. So if you're seeing this and you go to arlensmastermind.com and it is still that price, please jump on it. Even if it's not, I say jump on it. It is absolutely amazing and we're having a great time in there. And then Inner Circle is where you work with me one on one. You also get 4 calls with Colin Yearwood. And let me tell you, he is changing people's lives with his expertise, his information. He works with you very, very customized, extremely customized to your situation. And he helps you create an offer and he helps you sell that offer so that many people have made their money back from just talking to him alone. It normally is $25,000. This is my Inner Circle program, so $25,000 is pretty standard. It's actually has been more than that in the past. Right now, it is only $5,000 for per year, and I only have 100 people that I have in this Inner Circle right now. I think it's like 67 people. When we reach 100, no one else can come in, and it won't necessarily be this price, 5,000 even tomorrow. So I mean that. I don't mean that for buzz and shock. I mean that for real, for real. I did shut it down for a whole month in December, and I came back with the same price because so many people asked me to. So once someone is in, if you're in, you lock in your rate and you lock in your seat. So that means that the only way somebody can get into this, like one on one, you get my phone number, we do a VIP day, there's a whole bunch that comes with this. But the only way somebody can get in the future, once we reach 100 people, is for someone else to leave voluntarily. And that ain't happening. We have 0% churn when it comes to this particular deal. And so I want you to know about this. Don't miss out on this. If you can afford this, if you have the means, this is absolutely the best version of this because you get Mastermind and All Access for free when you do this. So if you can afford it, I do it. If you can't afford it, don't worry. Do Mastermind, do All Access. They're going to give you so much that will help you make the money you need to then do whatever you want with that money. So here's a more detailed comparison. You can just push pause on this if you want to read this. You can cast this on your TV or watch it, see it on a desktop. But it's basically all access is for anyone who's new, early stage, or even if you're pivoting. We have a lot of people, most people actually, who are professionals, career professionals, but they're pivoting a little bit or they're adding a side hustle or they want to add a side hustle. They don't even know what it is. And I teach them how to do that. So the idea and what has actually happened is that you come into it, you learn in the classroom, you go to the live sessions when you want to, and this community comes to you, is there for you all the time, 24/7. And just within a few days or a few weeks, you're already on the path of what you need to do. If you can't afford any of this, go to my YouTube channel, Arlan Hamilton. Just look up my YouTube channel on YouTube. I have hundreds of free videos and trainings. Mastermind is if you want to scale your business fast. Now, again, you don't even have to have a business to start on Mastermind. I can tell you what business to start, and it's simple. And you can do that fast, get to 10,000 a month extra fast, and then you get all these extra perks and benefits. And these weekly calls, I have to tell you, are game changers. You have all of the replays as well. So even if you come in February or March, and or anytime you come in, you have the archive of the replays, and I know that a lot of times replays can be hard to watch. In this case, it's like having Olympic level entrepreneurs at your fingertips. It is like masterclass. It's really amazing. And the more weeks that stack up, the more valuable this becomes. And the fact that it's 9.99 for lifetime is just insane. So jump on it if you can. If it has changed prices by the time you see this, it's still very much so worth it. Inner Circle, work with me. I give you my number. It's my real number, my real phone, and you can text me. It's unlimited texting, and it tells you how to do that. We work together very closely. You don't have to use the texting if you don't want to. About half people do, but if you do, I'm there for you. We have a call. You have 4 calls with Colin. It's just a really cool kind of container for what we're doing. And people have had some amazing, amazing, amazing results for all three of these. Here's a side by side chart. You can take a little screenshot of this, check it out for yourself because I want to make sure that you have time to make that decision. And then you get to choose. It's your choice. Where you belong depends on where you are in your journey and where you want to go. If you're building your foundation or shifting gears, All Access is the perfect starting point. I like to compare it to a gym. This is the awesome new gym in town. It's beautiful. It has amazing equipment, has all the instructions you need. It has other people who are with you who can tell you what machines to use and give you some advice as well. And I'm there, giving that instruction. That's Arlen's All Access. Now, in that same amazing gym, if you go up one level to level 2, it's a private elevator. And on that floor, you still get access to all of the things on the first gym. You can go to the gym if you're signed up to that, but we have Olympians training you in each of the rooms on the second floor. That's how I like to compare it. These are just like five, six, seven, no, sorry, 6, 7, and 8 figure entrepreneurs. So people are making, we've already had people making more than $10 million a year come to us for 90 days and just 90 minutes. Let me get that right. 90 minutes and give us everything that they have. And then actually come back, and come back and answer more questions. And it's just been amazing. And you have that every week. So it's just been awesome. But you have that elite level coaching, elite level tools on that second floor, if you will. And you just imagine you're being taught by Olympians. And then there's that penthouse inner circle where you have it's the same gym, but you have the phone number of the gym owner, you have a personal trainer and Colin, and you get everything else included. And it's just the deal of the year. Now, if you are working on something and you want to fast track what you're doing, just join Inner Circle before the space is gone. I'm very, very excited to see you there. And I promise you, if you can't do Inner Circle right now, I will tell you my personal favorite right now is Mastermind. Mastermind is incredible. If you take Mastermind and you can combine it with All Access, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. I have conversations every single day with our members. And if you go to arlensallaccess.com, look for a purple background, you'll see a video of some of our members. Like, it's just an incredible group of people. So the network and the networking that you do inside of these programs are worth it alone. And then on top of that, you just get incredible step by step guidance, and in some cases, personalized, customized guidance. I hope to see you there. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.